In this question, there is a rectangular loop of length 2.5 meter and width 2 meter and is placed at 60 degree to a magnetic field of 4 Tesla. The loop is removed from the field in 10 seconds. The average EMF induced in the loop during this time. So we have to find average EMF induced in this loop. So first of all, there is a area vector which is perpendicular to the loop, okay, A vector, and there is a B vector which is at 60 degree angle to the area vector, okay. Suppose this is y axis, this is x axis, and this is z axis. The loop is in xz plane and area vector is in y axis, along the y axis, and B vector is at 60 degree to the area vector. So we have to find first initial flux through the loop, okay. So what will be the initial flux? B A cos theta, the angle between B and A. B is initially B was 4 Tesla, A was 5 meter square, and cos theta, cos 60 will be 1 by 2. Phi initial is 10 Weber. What will be phi final? So at final stage the loop is removed from the field, so there will be no flux passing through the loop. So there will be no flux, then phi final will be 0. Phi final will be 0. Now we have to find in average EMF induced in the loop. E average will be minus delta phi upon time taken in changing the flux. What will be delta phi? Phi final minus phi initial upon delta t. What is phi final? Phi final is 0 minus phi initial is 10 upon delta t. Time taken, what will be time taken? 10 second. Then E average is 1 volt plus 1 volt. The answer will be C.